Hey guys, this is Jess here at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. Today I am standing here in front of a Jayco Jay Flight 32 BHDS. We're going to take a little tour of it together. This is one of Jayco's larger bunkhouses. It is a very popular floor plan for us, and I wanted to take a few minutes just to show you around and let you see what it looks like. So let's get started. Okay, so Jayco's Jay Flight has some very nice upgraded features. This comes standard with the 2-year limited warranty from Jayco, which is unmatched in the industry. It is a fabulous warranty. There are several things right here on the exterior that you're going to notice. We have a power ton jack already installed. We have two 30-pound LP tanks right here in the front. There is a rock guard to protect you against chips to your paint of your siding. As you can see here, we have a power awning with an LED light strip. It looks great in a campground. Right here on this side, we have a mount for your outside TV, which is gonna give you some really fun times while you're tailgating or you have people under your patio awning. Just wanna watch some TV or watch a movie or play some music. We also have built-in speakers right here, where you can operate from your indoor sound system. Jayco uses Goodyear tires that are nitro filled. These are going to be quieter on the road, give you better tire pressure, make it a little bit smoother of a ride. We have Dexter axles. These are made in America. These are sturdy. They're gonna last a long time. This particular floor plan has a large outside kitchen with a blue LED lighting system in it. We have a 2-burner cooktop. And we've got a nice sized refrigerator out here to keep all kinds of drinks cold or whatever you may be cooking up that day. If we scoot on around here to the rear, you're gonna notice that we have a spare tire already installed. We have a roof ladder. This is a full walk-on roof, so you can easily get up there and do your quarterly roof inspections, check all your seams and seals. This does have a hitch receiver, so you can add a bike rack or a storage rack for firewood, whatever you might be interested in there. Here at the top, we have the plug-and-play Furrion backup camera setup. All you have to do is buy the monitor and the camera, and we'll get you all set up with that. As we head on around here, this is where you're going to hook up your electricity. As you can see, this is a 50-amp service. We have an outside shower, and that's where your city water connection is as well. Let's walk around here. We are inside our heated and air-conditioned indoor showroom right now. So you can see right here, this is a dual slide floor plan. It is going to be incredibly spacious on the inside. Right here we'll check out the weight. You're looking at a dry weight on this of 8,412 pounds. So this is technically half-ton towable, depending on your truck, year, make, and model. And we are set up for solar. So if you are interested in the solar connection, this is already pre-wired for that solar connection. We'll look right in here so you can see we have uninterrupted pass-through storage underneath the bed, and you do have access to the storage from underneath the bed on the inside as well. So now we're gonna head inside and check out what's going on here. But first we'll mention that this is protected by the thermal package from Jayco. We do have an enclosed and heated underbelly and some upgraded insulation. This RV is equipped with a larger air conditioner. This has a 15K BTU AC as a special upgrade. It is 50-amp service like we said before. And it does have a hide-a-bed in the sofa. So this does make a bed as well. And it does have some accent lighting underneath that you can use as a night light if you're getting up to go to the bathroom in the dark. It's a nice little feature just to so you don't have to turn lights on and wake everybody up in your camper. So just a brief little overview here of the floor plan. This is the main living area. Very, very large U-shaped dinette with storage underneath, and this does make a bed. Convenient access doors with bins underneath there. We've got the 39-inch TV already installed here for you, and this is a Furrion TV that is rated for RV use, so this is going to withstand those vibrations going down the road a little bit better than just your average television would. Here is your sound system. This is AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth, auxiliary, as well as DVD. Make it easy for you when you're camping. Check out this kitchen here. These brand new seamless countertops from Jayco are wonderful. You don't have to worry about those moldings popping out. We have a chrome backsplash to keep your walls nice and clean, and they're easy to wipe off, and it just looks nice. We have a cutting board and a drying rack here, along with a residential style faucet. Storage underneath there, as well as some drawers. Nice size oven. Digital microwave. We have an 8 cubic foot nor cold refrigerator, as well as a deep pocket freezer, so you don't have to worry about anything seeping out. If you would happen to have something melt, it'll catch it all in there. And then right here beside the kitchen, we've got a nice size pantry. This is going to be good for all of the food items that you may need to bring on your camping trip. So now we're going to head back, and we'll turn around here so you can kind of look at it from the living area from this angle, and you can see how this is a great setup for cross conversations while you're cooking, or if you've got people like watching TV, and that TV actually does swing out, so you can reposition it if you'd like, or you can have people at the table playing games or having a meal together. It's just a very free flow of energy between everyone involved here. So now as we head back towards the bedroom, right here in the hall, we've got a nice big coat closet. And then we'll head back into the bunk room. This is our second slide. And you can sleep 4 people on this bottom. The mattress is doubled, so you can actually lay it out and it makes 2 sleeping spaces. And then we have a place for a TV right here, as well as a little ladder and some more storage underneath this bunk area. Each bunk has its own power outlet, its own light. This one has a little storage area, so you can stick some of your belongings there if you need to. So now we'll head into the bathroom. And you can see this is where your second entry door comes in. We've got a foot pedal flush toilet, a nice little vanity with a sink, a bathtub if you have small children, make it a little easier to give them a bath, or even if you're just showering, the water pools around your feet, it's not going to run out to the floor. And then we do have a medicine cabinet in the bathroom with a towel rack. So we'll back out of here. Now lastly, we'll check out the bedroom area. As you can see, there's a dual entrance to the bedroom on either side of the bed, so both people can get in and out of the bed without any obstructions. This is a queen size bed, and you can see it's got space on both sides. We have wardrobes on both sides of the bed, as well as a cabinet storage overhead. We have a charging station as well as outlets on both sides of the bed as well. And then underneath the bed, you can see that we can access our pass-through storage, and you can fit quite a bit of stuff underneath there. It's going to be close to the size of a pickup truck bed as well. Alright guys, so thanks for checking out this video with me. I really appreciate you guys taking time to do that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call at 606-928-6795. Send us an email at sales@summitrv.com, or just simply get on our website, click live chat. We'd be happy to get right with you. We're open Monday through Friday until 6 p.m. this time of year, and on Saturdays until 5. So we would love to help you pick out a camper that's right for you. And if there's something that you're wanting to see that we haven't videoed, just leave us a comment and we will do that right away. Thanks everybody.